Good afternoon, everyone. This is Javed from Koyankan Prime TV, and I am here with the English News Bulletin. Let's start with the international news. The incidents of the attacks on the Hindu community in Bangladesh are not stopping. The situation is such that the people of Hindu community in Bangladesh could not even celebrate Durga Puja festival peacefully, and there were 35 incidents of Durga Puja pandals being targeted by fundamentalists. Police said that during the Navratri festival, 35 unpleasant incidents taken place in Durga Puja pandals across the country in the last 1 month. Now some national news. For the formation of Haryana government, Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has called a meeting of the Legislative Party in Chandigarh on 16 October. In the presence of central observers, once again the name of Naib Singh Saini will be approved as the leader of a legislative party. After this, Saini will take oath of the Chief Minister of a state for the second time on 17 October. Farmers blocked highways in Punjab on Sunday. Farmers came out on the roads to ensure systematic purchase of paddy. Due to this, the movement of vehicles came to complete halt. The common public had to face the most trouble due to this. Farmers stopped all the types of small and big vehicles, including government buses. From Sports World, the king of red gravel clay court, 38-year-old Rafael Nadal, has said goodbye to tennis. The 22-time Grand Slam winner will play for Spain for the last time in Davis Cup finals in Malaga next month. Speculation about Nadal's retirement, who has been suffering from a hip injury for the past year, were being made since the beginning of the year. He announced his retirement from the game in video released on social media. Now, two members of the Big Three club, Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal, have retired from tennis. Now some local happenings. The protest of farmers from 5 villages is continuing with the demand of raising the Sherawali minor. On Saturday, women cooked food for the protesting farmers at the protest site itself. The farmers have set up their tents permanently. The farmers say that their protest will continue until their demands are met. Let's know our weather forecast. The weather in Sisa today is pleasant with the maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius while the minimum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Some Goenka news. GD Goenka Public Schools Sisa celebrated Dussehra with the special assembly featuring devotional songs, captivating performances of Shri Hanuman Ji and Shri Ram Ji, and an inspiring message on overcoming personal evils. That's all from my side. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.